So currency rate can also be used in workflows within HubSpot. There's a very powerful feature. So it works off of a deal-based workflow. So we're going to select deal-based next, and let's say that we want to create a workflow that when a deal is closed, it converts to a specific currency, to back to your home currency. So let's say convert to USD on closed one. So we're going to set up a quick trigger. We're going to say deal stage. We're going to search on closed one, sales pipeline. We're going to use that as our trigger. So that gets the trigger in. So now when any deal within the sales pipeline hits the closed one stage, it's going to fire this workflow. So if we now go ahead and add an action, we'll be able to add the currency conversion through the currency rate plugin here. So we choose currency rate converter. Now by default, currency rate will automatically pass back 3 values into the workflow. And this is regardless of what actions you choose here. It will always pass back the exchange rate, the converted amount, and the converted currency, the currency you're going into. So what we do is we choose the currency we want to convert into. This will, as is being explained by this point down here, is this will always take the amount and currency and convert it into this dollars. Now if we tick yes, that will go ahead and automatically update the deal amount, the currency, to US dollars in this case, and all of the line item prices as well. So that's the kind of default behavior. At the same time, these values are still passed, these values here are still passed back into the workflow. But that's our default behavior. The other option to say no is, if you say no here, it means don't update this automatically, purely pass these values back into the workflow. So for this particular example, we're going to say yes, because we want it to actually do the work for us. Now, it's also possible to use the values that are returned and put them into other properties. So for example, if we select here, and we choose copy property value, and we choose a property value from currency rate. So these are the 3 values that I was talking about before that get passed back. So we could say, let's say conversion rate, and we want to put that into a custom field that we've got called live exchange rate to GBP. For example, we could do that. We could also take the amount, as may be the case. So it may be that you don't actually want to update the default amount and currency fields, you want to put them somewhere else. So we could again use this value. We could say use the converted amount, and we could put amount, GBP final amount, for example, and we could just save it over like that. Thanks for watching.